Time for a bit of controversy. One of the biggest issues in table tennis, other than the plastic ball, has been about horn boosting and tuning, whether it should be allowed. Well, I'm not going to get involved into that argument. It is rather strange that the ITTF does advise you to air your new table tennis rubbers for 72 hours after putting them on. Why would they advise you to do that? To avoid being caught out cheating. Possibly. Potentially. Who knows? But does it make a difference? That's what the next video in this series might be. Here I've got some Stiga Extreme Booster. If I was to use that and put it on a cheap sheet of rubber, would it make a difference? If you'd like to see that cheap sheet of rubber, I've yet to decide which one to use, so if you have any suggestions, please put below in the comments what you think I should test. If you'd like to see what that performs like before it's been boosted and then after I've applied some boosting to it, like the video and subscribe. Comments welcome. Thank you.